Hi everyone! Today we will see how to get Midjourney for free. This method works. Anyone can do it and everything is free. First of all, go to instantart.io or click on the link in the description. When you're on the home page, you can see examples of images that have been generated. So once you're on the home page, click on Get Started at the top right. Once you click, you'll need to create an account, and it's all free as you can see. I create an account for free. Once the account is created, go to Generate, and here is the most important part of the video where you will choose the model ID. You can test the ID model that suits you, but if you want the same as Midjourney, take Midjourney V4 Inspired. Then you can choose the parameters of your image. Finally, you just have to fill in what you want in the prompts and negative prompts. Here's an example of an image created with the same ID template as Midjourney, and all this for free and in less than 2 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.